Hello children, welcome to General Science class. So today we will discuss about some basic things and we will recall some basic things what you have learnt in previous classes. Okay, so we talk about living organisms, we talk about non-living organisms. On which basis you can differentiate living organisms from non-living organisms? What are the basic things we can differentiate living organisms from non-living organisms? This is a living thing, this is a how you can express, how can you say this is a living thing or this is a non-living thing? Based on some processes, life processes. Which organism has life, we can consider as living organism, right? You can observe here you can observe on the screen many organisms are there, right? In those organisms you can easily identify some are the non-living organisms and some are living organisms. For example, how you differentiate living organisms from non-living organisms? Because they have living organisms inside their bodies some life processes occurring. For example, if you take any living organism like cow, so if you observe cow, if you stop giving food to cow, what will happen? It will become weak and over a period of a time the cow will die, right? But in the case of non-living organism like chair, table, anything non-living organism, if you take, chair needs food, chair needs water? No, none of them, right? So here you cannot observe any basic life processes inside non-living organisms, but you can observe many life processes inside living organisms such as cow, elephant, etc. right? So here the many life processes occurring inside living organism. All these processes are occurring inside the living organism. We can consider as life processes. Based on these life processes, we can differentiate living organisms from non-living organisms. Got it all of you? Yes. So not only in animals, in plants also many life processes are happening. In those life processes, many processes, one of the very important process is called nutrition. Okay. So nutrition. What is nutrition? Where is this word nutrition coming up? And in this lesson we will discuss about some basic things about nutrition. They are nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? Modes of nutrition or types of nutrition. So what are the types? Autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. So under autotrophic nutrition we will discuss about photosynthesis, symbiosis and replacement of nutrients into soil. What are the basic things, basic concept we are going to learn from this lesson? Nutrition in plants? Yes. Nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? Modes of nutrition, types of nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, photosynthesis, heterotrophic nutrition, symbiosis, replacement of nutrients into the soil. Okay. So first, nutrition. What is nutrition? What is nutrition? Whatever you eat, food material or any vegetable, fruits, that after digestion it will absorb inside your body, each and every cell of your body. Afterwards that energy will utilized by our body. This is the process we commonly called as a nutrition. So nutrition, types or modes of nutrition. Two types are there. One is autotrophic, another one is heterotrophic. Autotrophic means self-nourishment. Autotrophic nourishment. Self-nourishment means the living organism can make their own food themselves. That is called autotrophic nutrition. So we can observe this type of nutrition in plants. And we have learnt in previous classes, the plants can make their own food themselves. The process we call photosynthesis. Okay. So photosynthesis and autotrophic nutrition we will discuss in this lesson. Next, heterotrophic nutrition. Some of the living organisms, including some plants as well, how they depend on other organisms for their survival. Okay. Next, symbiosis. This is also one type of nutrition depending on other organisms. Next, saprotrophic nutritions. Next, insectivorous plants. What are the insectivorous plants? What is insectivorous nutrition and which plant we can observe such type of nutrition? Okay. Next, replenishment of nutrients into soil. So, these are the basic concepts we will discuss in this lesson. For today, this much only children. I hope all of you understood. We will see you in next class. Thank you.